Look at this box.
Yeah,
Oh, it's breaking stuff.
Two ZV5 18s. I still think I need to tune it though. I feel like it could be louder because I'm just running a 3500 Audio Legion. I mean, that's obviously low for ZV5, but
Is it what it wired to?
1 ohm.
And what was the box tuned to?
That I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I don't
Okay.
know about that.
I like the way. Is that Rhino lined?
Yeah.
That looks awesome.
Shit, I could.
Yeah, let me check it out real quick. Check out the battery and amps and all. Whoa. Dude.
Yeah, bro, that shit.
Oh, it's breaking stuff. They're breaking stuff, man. What vehicle is this?
GMC Yukon.
Yukon. All right.
Yeah, with JY power 45.
All right. Go ahead now, do your thing.
You can kind of look at the amp, I guess.
Audio Legion 3500
Yeah.
at 1 ohm. Have you metered it yet?
No, I want to just to see how it does.
Okay. And these are two ZV5.
18.
Wow. Yeah, it's probably got, like you said, it wasn't as much power as the subs can handle, but
Yeah.
you said the box was also off, do you think? Or you like the box? What were you saying was wrong with it?
No. I think I feel like I still need to tune the amp just to get it like a little bit louder.
Okay. Gotcha.
But I don't know how to do it. And I don't know. I just feel like, cause like some obviously like with the box, it's gonna be tuned to a certain beat.
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay.
like I don't know. Some songs I feel like should hit louder.
Okay. It broke. Whoa. Look at this box. Man.
Let me take this time out to introduce y'all niggas to the movement, nigga. Money, power, respect, movement, nigga. Horace Pablo, what's up? Drill Rich Peso, what's up? Scream. One time my nigga Drill Rich Hank, what up? 1-5, my nigga Long. Lil Quill, what's up? Rockstar Marco, what the fuck up, nigga? DJ Scream, baby, I'll take off. so I ride with. Before a bitch, she let her pole drink with. She'll hit the spot and she gon' take the charge. Put that bitch in the work with the stars. She know that I'm in it, I can't hit them all. She forward and thinkin' she gon' hit the stick with. I like
Yeah, I was saying I liked your bass knob. It was a sky high.
Oh yeah.
LED. Awesome.
Yeah. Well, not this one.
Oh, okay.
Watch a nigga cook.
It's like moving. Oh, yeah.
Go rich, I run it up, man. I got a big fool. Talking to.
Appreciate it, man. No problem.
And you say you still got room to test your amps, tune it, and get more power?
Yeah, I feel like it.
It sounds good though. I mean, maybe it's just me. It sounds good for this.
Probably, I don't know. I feel like it should do more, but I mean the amp is like underpowered, so.
Yes, sir. Okay. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Thank you. Oh yeah, I didn't ask. Is you stock alternator?
Yeah, stock
Okay.
off.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.